Hey guys, this video is very interesting. First, I tried to put up the odd ones for my video. I always do that. I always put out my single clip daily videos because the thing is, yeah, I just want to put them up there and just have them as my diary. But in between, there's a mini movie or mini show in between, and that's our trip to the sunflower farm, and it's supposed to be a one whole video, but the thing is I got lazy and I'm just gonna put everything in here. So it just started from me shooting a wedding to us heading to Port C for a quick trip, and then went back home, ate some pizza, and then after that we went to the sunflower farm, and finally, I don't know what happened. Yeah, finally, we had our fourth lockdown. That was in February. So early January and February, we were clear from lockdown. Then we suddenly had a lockdown, Feb 14. Yeah, so up and down. Anyway, here's the video. Um, blabbering. Yeah, I am. So day two, heading to Oakley or Glen Waverly. I'm gonna meet up with Dawn. Just last minute here for this event. We're just gonna shoot now. Yeah, it's a good thing is I have they have to go early and I don't have to go early because I was just last minute sure. But yeah, I'm gonna up there. I'll be helping them out. Let's go. Yeah, not a lot of blocks. I can't speak well. I haven't had much sleep, but I'll be fine. We're here at Port C and just doing a bit of walk because naibantaw ng ring at tiguan sakit ang bobo ko. My knees are hurt also, so like yeah, likewise. Yeah, that's it. Doing a bit of walk. The houses here are, man, like they're on the cliff and there are stairs heading down, so it's really good. Yeah, so today's just like supposed to be a relaxed day to walk. I mean, to go out. What am I talking about? Let's do it again. Oh, water. Okay, today's supposed to be like a chill, laid-back day, but we went out of the house around 5 p.m. It's already 9 p.m. Sun's still there because it's almost 9 p.m. because sunset's around 8:30. But yeah, check out beach walks. This bathhouse is there. Yeah, bathhouses. Resorts up there. Yay, sunflowers! And they're gone. There's none. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. So yeah, we're here for the sunflowers, and yeah, children of the corn, today sunflowers day. It's in the sunflower Shedamash.
No pictures, please.
It's video. Okay, sunflower farm. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Yep. Sunflower farm. Yep. So yeah, it's been quite hot here right now. Sunflower farm. Sunflower farm. We're just gonna get sunflowers in the sunflower farm because this is a sunflower farm. There are lots of sunflowers here. We're gonna try to kill this sunflower now. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's go. Sunflower. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So this is what happens when you're lost in the sunflower fields, and you're kind of, oh shit, there might be snakes here, so you should be careful when you're in a sunflower field. This is not like chilling with the corn that you can just yeah, you can just run and be scared. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just want to go there and run. That's it. Bye. Up here. So just got this camera here at the night market, and it's plasticky, but it's so tiny. I'm not gonna worry about breaking it because, yeah, it's so tiny. Let's go. The night markets, and yeah, it's not like before, but yeah, just following Laura now, looking for food. Okay. Social distancing must be, yeah, it's open air, unlike before. Fresh. Okay. Yeah.
There you go. Di ba you like it before?
First. Nice. So, yep. Night markets. It's technically night right now. It's around 8 p.m. Now we're gonna have, yeah, those lemon and blood orange. Yeah. Some brisket today. And yeah, that's what we have for tonight. There you go. That's the brisket. Yeah, so I just gave in and I just got the beef brisket. And yeah, I said that we were full, but still got beef brisket. Yeah. So he's still scared to go around these places because there's still COVID around. But it's open air, so you still feel it. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna try to eat. Not much for today. Just Queen Victoria Night Market. And yeah, this is how it looks. So we're gonna start eating it now. Can you open it? Let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah, beef brisket. And yeah, that's it. So we got the beef brisket. And yeah, there you go. So it's gonna be good. Yeah, so we're back to lockdown and back to wearing mask everywhere for 5 days. Hope everything goes back to normal soon. That's it. Bye. So good day, guys. Yeah, it's a Friday today. I'm gonna have a pre-wedding shoot with Doreen today at Phillip Island, so I'm heading there now. And at the same time, I'll have a shoot tomorrow, which is quite a long one. So busy weekend for us. Yeah, I'm gonna travel all the way to somewhere south, Phillip Island and the surrounds, just to do the shoot. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to record everything. I'll be very busy, but we'll see, man. We'll see. So let's go. One bad thing I noticed is that lately I haven't been very strict with my cleaning. Like, yeah, and there's COVID in the wastewaters around Baronia, so it's kind of scary these days. But either way, everyone just be careful and stay safe out there. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm here at Phillip Island right now, and yeah, we're gonna be starting a shoot later in a few minutes. The winery is closing, and it's around 34 degrees, so it's quite very warm here. We'll see how this goes. Hoping it's gonna be better. Let's go. So yeah, I think you're confused right now that yeah, I know you're gonna say that you should have made your story good, like cut this one here and cut this one there, and if I had the sunflower farm video only, it would have been good, but yeah, these are old throwback videos and they're not up to date, and I've been lazy. So yeah, that's what happened. I just mushed them up. Hopefully in the future when I get to catch up with my videos, I can just try to give you a good one. But for now, those are my clips. Anyway, you guys take care.